Have you ever found yourself muddled in the labyrinth of GST reconciliation? Worry not, because today, we're here to guide you through this intricate process step by step. Welcome back to Singh & Associates, your partner in financial empowerment. Today, we feature Mr. Deepak, an expert in GST compliance, to help us unlock the mastery of reconciling GSTR2A with GSTR3B and responding effectively to notices from the GST Department. First, we delve into the nitty-gritty of GSTR2A and GSTR3B reconciliation. Understanding the differences, common hurdles, and strategies for accurate filings can make your GST filing process a breeze. To make it even easier, we're offering you an exclusive Excel file for download. With this tool at your fingertips, you can follow along and streamline your reconciliation process like never before. Moving on to the meat of the matter, we tackle the daunting task of responding to notices from the GST Department. With the guidance of Mr. Deepak, we'll walk you through how to craft effective responses, understand the common types of notices, and implement best practices for a smooth resolution. In our Excel file, you'll find a dedicated section that demonstrates how to use it for responding to notices. Yes, you heard right. We're making the process of replying to GST notices as simple as possible. Throughout the episode, Mr. Deepak will shed light on these critical topics and answer your burning questions. So don't forget to drop your queries in the comments. Who knows, your question might be the star of our next episode. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering GST reconciliation featuring the expertise of Mr. Deepak. For a deeper dive, don't forget to download the Excel file and follow our practical demonstration. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. For personalized assistance or further inquiries, feel free to reach out to Singh & Associates directly. Remember, your success is our priority, and we appreciate your continued support. Until next time, stay financially empowered.